Dr. Zero Show is sponsored in part by...
Are you having a hard time in math? Then the super cube is right for you! Oh my god! Mommy, I want that!
Really? What is it?
Action. It's a super cube and it can do anything! Anything! It can do from simple arithmetic to quadratic! Yeah, it's just like graphing quadratic. Right now, at 1-800 buy cube. Oh my god!
Fine.
Hey, I'm Dr. Zero and we're here backstage with the quadratic family. Please introduce yourselves. I am D squared. I'm 15D. I'm number 26. We're back with those who just tuned in. Quadratic family. And they have a problem. Tell me, what is your problem? Well, we are just complicated together. It's not that I'm unnecessary. I'm the most important one, and they just can't accept that. I see. Well, the good thing is that you found me, Dr. Zero, and I can help you get the answer. Really? But how? We're so unmatched. It's impossible. I mean, at least you can help, but I can't do anything. You're right. You're just a good for nothing, and I'm the center of attention. Be quiet, 26. Who do you think you are? I am the answer. You're just a y intercept. And B. Without you, this whole problem would just not make any sense. It would be so confusing. There's a few steps you have to take called the quad formula. Huh? Do that again.
The Dr. Zero Show is sponsored in part by...
Negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a divided by 2a. Okay, the quadratic formula that I want to show you is negative b, because you're always so negative about yourself, plus or minus the square root of b, again b, squared, minus 4a, that's where you come in, and c, that's your only spot you get. So the quadratic formula, the example for the quadratic formula is, oh, it's like this. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So you see, you only have one space. Down. And you have to solve each other step by step. Follow those steps. You guys know the order of operations of life, right? Yeah. You know everything has to have specific steps in order to solve it out. Yes. So what would be the next step be? Well, I think it's this. Well, you're wrong. What? Because it's this. You have to plug in to, remember when I said your spots? Negative b, you are 15, right? 15b. Yeah. So you're negative right here. Plus or minus the square root of yourself, which is negative 15 squared, minus 4a, since you don't have a number, you're just 1d. And c, pay attention, you go in this little spot right here, just one spot, you only get one spot. So you're not that much of a big shot. Haha. Calm down. And then all of you guys are going to divide it by 2 times a. Myself. Which is her. And now B, what would be the next step? Well, I think it's this. Negative 15 plus or minus square root 225 minus 104 divided by 2. And how did you get that? Wait, I can answer that because you don't know. Right. Yes, I am the doctor. You got this by solving out what we have plugged in earlier. You see this? Negative 15 squared is 225 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 26 is 104. And you would subtract that. And I will tell you the next step. The next step is this. Now you know that negative 15 plus or minus square root of 21 divided by 2. And why did I get 2? Because since d squared is only 1d, then 2 times a, which you see right here, the a goes away because it's only 1. Okay. The square root of 121 is 11. So to find the answer, you do negative 15 plus or minus 11, because remember, to solve, you guys, there's always going to be 2 answers. There's 2 options in life. There's not always just 1 answer. There's always going to be 2. And I'm not going to say always, because there's always different answers. After that, you have to add negative 15 and 11, and you have to subtract 11 from negative 15. And who is paying attention? So who can show me that? Riley, you did something good. Yes, you knew something. Wow. So explain that to me, please. Since you're a big shot. How about you? You're 0.
Fine, I'll explain it. Negative 15 plus 11 equals negative 4 over 2, which equals negative 2. So, yeah. And then negative 15 minus 11 equals negative 26 divided by 2, and it equals negative 13.
So you see, quadratic family, every family has their problem. But there's always a solution to your problem, and so your kinds of problems can always be solved.
I guess it wasn't impossible.
You see, it wasn't impossible, and see, you're very important.
I am important. I feel happy now. Thank you.
And then see, Miss 26.
I have to be more generous to my sisters. That's it. Bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you. I hope you guys will take this quadratic formula with you.
Yeah.
So anytime you have any problems, you can figure it out.
I'm glad we went.
Mr. Dunlap is the best teacher ever.